And we're back. So I jumped ahead. I finished off all 4 wheels. I ended up going ahead and I did polish the wheels as well. Here how they turned out. Definitely look way better than the black. Today I want to go ahead and take off the rack so I can also prep that and get it ready for paint. I want to go ahead and slap some paint on it since the paint was already coming off. So anyway, let's get to removing that so we can go ahead and spray paint that. And then I also want to see if I could also squeeze in washing the car and putting some clay bar to it, see if it helps out the paint at all. Anyway, enough talking, let's get to working. To this painting, what we're going to be using today, typical of the Rust-Oleum with the gloss black. Put it on the rack and get coat on. Let that sit. That's the first coat. I did a nice light coat. On the next one, I'll do a little bit more aggressively. But let's let that sit for a little bit and we'll be right back. All right, so that's the first coating. You can see it's a nice light coat, nothing too aggressive. All right guys, so we're back. Unfortunately we lost some of the footage. I guess the phone got hot, so we lost some of the footage. I went ahead and I had to wash the car, got it all cleaned out, ready for the waxing, but it's ready for waxing now and I want to go ahead and start knocking that off, so let's get to it. All right, so after hours of waxing and cleaning, I got everything cleaned out. I want you guys to actually see what it turned out. I went ahead and I slapped on the rack just because I want you guys to see just the overall of how it turned out instead of seeing the process. Anyway, tell me what you guys think. So there you guys have it. We painted the wheels, we painted the rack, installed everything, got the car all nice and cleaned up and waxed. I want you guys to tell me down below, what do you guys think of the transformation? What do you guys want to see on the very next video? Comment. Don't forget to subscribe, to like these videos, share them. It helps me, helps out the channel. Hope to see you guys very soon. Don't forget, comment down below what you guys want to see. Take care, guys. See you.